Today, we'll be doing a repair on this white tile, and we will be using HIMG Surface Repairs white tones. We're going to start by cleaning this area free of any dust or dirt. Just a slightly damp cloth. The whites come with 3 different shades, and I think for this repair we're going to do the pure white. And we have the rest of our materials. We have the polishing cloth, the polishing paste, the LED light, and the LED light sand, the curing strip, the application tool, and the sandpaper. And we also have a little bit of alcohol on standby. So we're going to take our material and we're going to fill the damage. Careful not to overfill. And we're going to take our curing strip. Then we're going to start the curing process. By inserting the LED light into the LED light stand and setting it. We're going to remove the LED light stand, and we're going to remove the curing strip, and we're going to use the application tool to test, and it's solid. It seems to have set with a tiny hole, so we're just going to add a little bit more material. And we're going to cure for a little bit more. And we're going to check again. Yep, perfect. So we're going to start the sanding process. And we're going to apply the polishing paste. And there you have it.